Welcome guys to my channel Don Tech. So today in this video we'll be learning how to delete or deactivate our TikTok account. So I'll be taking you through the steps in order to get our TikTok account deactivated. So first off, open your TikTok on your device. Then what you have to do is click on my profile. So you can see it there at the end in profile. Then what next to do is to go up to the top right corner and click on these three slashes here. So next thing to do here is to locate your settings and privacy. So I'll click on my settings and privacy. Then next is to click on your account. So I'm going to tap on my account, and you can see at the end in here it says delete or deactivate account. So I'm going to click on deactivate or delete account. So this is going to take few seconds. Then now you can now choose between the two options. So do you want to go ahead to deactivate account? So you can recover or reactivate your account at any time. So just like temporarily stopping your TikTok account, and whenever you want to have it, you can have it back. But the option of deleting your account permanently means you are deleting this account and you can only cancel the request after 30 days. So if you still want your account after 30 days, you can, or before the end of 30 days, you can get your account back. But I'm not going to be deleting my account because definitely I really want my TikTok account later. So I can just go ahead to deactivate my account. So I'm going to click on deactivate account. Then what next to do is wait for this to load, and you're going to be given this. So you say Young Don 5, that's my handle. Delete this account. If deactivate this account, rather, if you deactivate account, this. So I'll just go ahead to click on deactivate. So here we're going to be requesting an SMS. I'm going to put, so you're going to enter a 6-digit code SMS in order to deactivate your account. So you're going to send these directly to your SMS, and what you have to do is just to input the number. Then once you are done, go ahead to click on deactivate account, and whenever you are ready to reactivate your account back, you can go ahead to get it back. So this is how to basically deactivate your account right here on your mobile device. If this video helps, surely like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.